In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. If you're looking for a way to stay organized, streamline your workflows, and make the most out of your team's productivity, ClickUp is an excellent tool to explore. With its robust features and customizable templates, you can tailor it to suit your specific needs. Whether you're managing personal tasks, collaborating on team projects, or setting up recurring workflows, this tutorial will guide you step by step to create and use templates effectively. Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Hover your mouse over your team space. This is the area where your projects and tasks are organized. As you move your cursor over the name of your team space, you'll notice 3 dots appearing next to it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Template. This will bring up the template menu. If there's a small delay while the template options load, don't worry, just give it a moment. Once the options are ready, you'll see a button that says Browse for Templates. Click on that to open the template library. Now, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type in Task Management. This will help you locate all the templates specifically designed for organizing and managing tasks. Once the results appear, scroll through the available options, take your time to preview the templates, and explore which one best fits your needs. After you've found the template that's right for you, click the button that says Use Template. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your template. Choose a clear and descriptive title so you can easily identify it later. For example, if this template will be used for tracking weekly deliverables, you might name it Weekly Task Tracker. With your template named, it's time to customize it. ClickUp allows you to adjust various fields, task statuses, and priorities. You can also add custom categories or make any changes that will align the template with your workflow. Once you've completed your customization, click Use Template again to save and apply your setup. Now, your new template will appear in your workspace. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything is set up the way you want. If you need to make further adjustments, you can edit the template directly or rename it for better clarity. Remember, templates are not set in stone. You can update them whenever necessary to reflect changes in your processes or priorities. Keeping your templates up to date ensures that you're always working with the latest version. And don't stop at just one template. Consider creating additional templates for other workflows, like onboarding new team members, planning weekly agendas, or managing recurring tasks. Once you've built a solid collection of templates, you can share them across different spaces within ClickUp to help your team stay organized and efficient. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.